Namaste to one and all. Welcome to my channel. Today's our topic is sports and games of Himachal Pradesh. It is on demand I am doing. The sports and games of Himachal Pradesh generally divided into three categories under priority categories: athletics, boxing, judo, volleyball, hockey, men and women, shooting, kabaddi, winter games. In winter games, ice skating and skiing are there, football, basketball, handball. Then general category comes under B, that is wrestling, gymnastics, badminton, archery, softball, taekwondo, cricket, kho-kho, table tennis, yoga and basketball. Then coming to the third category, category C, korfball, netball, throwball, roller skating, chess, powerlifting, squash, billiards, bodybuilding, weightlifting, golf, karate, fencing, rowing, bridge, veteran athletics, motor sports, caroms, women cricket, lawn tennis, indoor cricket and wushu. Here we can see that the local game is known as dhop-khel. Then ice skiing. It is a thrill of racing down a slope with icy winds. It is originated in Corfu, that is the place in Shimla. And ice skating, it is having a rink, large open area with naturally frozen ice, and they used to celebrate this from December to February. Person moves on the snow track with the help of skates, that is skating. And it is the only natural ice skating ring of Asia. And some of the other games and sports are there. We can see the rafting. Rafting is it is done on the snow-fed rivers of Chenab, Satluj, Ravi and Beas. And taekwondo, it is contested over 3 into 2 minutes rounds with a rest of 1 minute. Between rounds, kicks are allowed to both to the torso and head. That is, punches are only allowed to the body. Torso means human body apart from head, neck, arms and leg. And another one is squash. It is a racket and a sport played by two players in a four-walled court with a small hollow rubber ball. Then wushu, or another one is wushu. The earlier one I told you, squash. Then SQUASH. And another one is wushu, that is wushu or a Chinese kung fu, that is a martial art at the same time having acrobatic movement and some techniques. Here I am going to explain about the archery used here. Here the state sports that we call it as a Thoda game. Thoda game. And Thoda game, it is a martial art form. Relies on one's archery. It is a desire for domination, and they are using the bows and arrows. Bows and arrows originated in Kulu and Manali. And Thoda is a round piece of wood fixed to the head of the arrow, which is used to blunt its wounding potential. And wooden bows, normally it is having 1.5 meter to 2 meter to 1.5 meter to 2 meter. That is the length of the wooden bows. And to suit the height of the archer, to suit the height of the archer, the arrow, wooden arrows in proportion to the height, and wooden arrows in proportion to the length of the bow also. And it is prepared by skilled and traditional artisans. And here we can see that this preparation, how the preparation starts. It is a Thodo game participating a large number of people, and the people move from one village to another village, and they throw 3 leaves to the well, before the sunrise, and the people who come to draw water from there, they will identify, they will notice the leaves, and there starts the preparation of encounter. That is how it is written about the Thoda games. And how physics can be interrelated to that. When the arrow and the archery starts, it is used to blunt its wounding potential. Wounding potential, it is based on the principles of velocity. As it is based on the principles of velocity, how the arrow moves and how much wounding potential it is having, it is related to physics. And also it is also related to the ballistics, which is used in the arms. So we can see that the Thoda games, which is based on the Thoda games, it is having the blunt its wounding potential. It is based on the principle of velocity. So you go to the principles of velocity, you will get more idea how it is connected to Thoda games, how it is connected to archery. I hope you got an idea regarding the sports and games of Himachal Pradesh. Whatever other items I have mentioned already we know, gymnastics you know, then wrestling, hockey, all these general rules and regulations are there. Specifically you can go and you can take something special I have mentioned here. I hope you got an idea about the sports and games of Himachal Pradesh. Thank you.